Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a no-bake cheesecake. Real good, so let's get started. Alright, get a food processor or a zip-up bag and then add 250 grams of cookies. You can use any type you like. I'm using Archway for milk cookies. But you can use any type as long as they're sweet. Now you want to crush these to the fine crumbs. Oh, make sure you plug it in as well. Now you want about 100 grams of butter and pour it in. Now mix it. Alright, now I have a spring form pan. I want a bit of paper to real quick please. And now we'll just pour the corn mixture in it. Now just spread around. And then pack it down. Oh no. We pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to give it a chance to completely set. Then get a wet mixing bowl and put in about 750 grams of softened cream cheese. Just leave it out in room temperature for a couple hours or so. And that should be soft enough. Now add 400 milliliters of whipping cream. Or a heavy cream, you can cream any cream that you can whip. Then add 1 to 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Now you want to beat this up by medium to medium high until it's nice and creamy. Alright, then you get your base out of your fridge and then put the mixture in. Oh, so creamy. Now just spread around as evenly as you can. Once you're even, to put this in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours to completely set. Alright, there you go. Now, this is actually quite creamy, so if you want a harder cheesecake, just put it in the freezer for about 2 hours, then in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So, now let's get into the eating. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a no-bake cheesecake, as you can see. Yeah, it's really creamy. So, like I said, if you want a harder cheesecake, just put it in the freezer for about 2 hours and then in the fridge for about 30 minutes. But I put it like a creamy, so yeah, but smells good. So I'm gonna have to get this try. Oh, divine. So, thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you all next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.